In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Facebook Marketplace easily. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting, using tags effectively can help potential buyers find your items and substantially increase your chances of making a sale. Now let's walk through how you can add tags to your listings on Facebook Marketplace. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Start by heading over to Facebook's main page. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and enter www.facebook.com in the address bar. Once the page fully loads, locate and click on the Marketplace icon. This can usually be found on the left-hand side of the screen on desktop or at the bottom on mobile. It's represented by a small storefront icon. Once you're in the marketplace, look around for the selling section. This is generally situated towards the top of your marketplace homepage. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can see all the items you've listed for sale. Now find the listing you wish to edit. You should notice a 3 dots icon nearby each of your active listings. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will want to select Edit Listing. This action will open the detailed editing page for your particular item. On the editing page, look for a field labeled Tags. It's usually located towards the bottom portion of the listing details. Tags are keywords that relate closely to your item, and they should reflect what a buyer might type into the search bar when looking for such an item. Now is the time to get creative and strategic. Think of words that best describe your item or are commonly associated with it. For instance, if you're selling a vintage lamp, tags could include antique, reading lamp, or home decor. Be sure to press enter after typing each word to ensure they register as separate tags. Once you've entered all the relevant tags to accurately describe your item, the final step is to click on Update. This button is typically located at the bottom of the page. Clicking it will save your changes, and your listing will be updated with the new tags. By following these steps, your items should now be easier to find, giving you a leg up in the competitive world of online selling. Keep in mind, well-chosen tags can significantly enhance visibility, so take your time in selecting the most appropriate words. Happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.